Hey guys, now I get probably 2 or 3 emails or comments or questions every day asking me what's going on with the 911 engine, when's the 911 engine coming back, what's happening, and trust me, as soon as I know something and something is actually here, you guys will know. Basically what's the biggest issue has been the pistons. The pistons that have been, they're a custom design, they're a new short skirt pistons, finally came in about a week or so ago. I've got some photos of them here, they look awesome, but we were just waiting on Marla to get the pistons in. They're just some teething problems getting them through. It's a long process when you're developing these new parts. Now the pistons are back, Neil can get on to mounting them to the rods. Neil has changed the rods around a bit to, he's put an offset bushing in it, they're taking a smaller pin. There's a few bits and pieces that still need to be tidied up with the rod, so the rods need finishing. The rocker arms had to be sent away and get repaired, re-chromed, re-hard chromed, that sort of stuff. That's all back in and they're looking good. The next big thing that Neil's been working on is the cam towers. Now, depending on how much you know about 911 engines, but the cam towers, there's a common problem that the pins for the rockers actually they have a pinch bolt in them that basically pinches them into the cam tower to stop them from leaking. Because if any oil can leak past the bolts, it can actually leak out through the rocker covers and it makes a mess. There hasn't really been a good fix for that up till now. Some use some sort of rubber sort of O-rings they put in with them, but they don't really work properly. They're not a good long-term solution. And what Neil has done is he's made up some new bushings that will, you drill out the cam tower and press in some new bushings with a stop end on it. So the pin can go through and it's got a hard stop end and a circlip with rubber O-ring grooves into the new bushings. So it won't have these problems anymore. They'll be perfect, nice new solution for all 911s. So it should be a great solution because it's a really common problem. Because it's soft aluminium, it's very easy to score the ball where the pins go through, and then they leak. And as I said, the old alternative was really, you know, these rubber bushings or just get new cam towers, which are very expensive. We think we've worked out the computer. Neil's worked out the wiring diagram. I've got to build up the wiring loom. There's a few bits and pieces that we're still working on, but we're waiting to get all the parts together to get it all worked out. But we think we've got the computer supplier sorted out, so hopefully some more news on that soon. So it is moving forward. It's just really slow. Nobody is more frustrated than me. Obviously, I really want to drive this car. I spent 2 years building it up till now, and I have still never driven it. I really, really want to get it out on the road, but I'm really enjoying my time with the Beetle. It's actually fun having a classic that I can drive around, and I'm coming up with excuses to drive it. So this is the Beetle on steroids, which I'm really looking forward to driving. And of course the Datsun videos are coming along nicely. So more stuff is happening, and the Datsun engine I will actually be picking up on Monday. So there should be some more movement on the engine side of things for the Datsun to keep things interesting along with the bodywork. So everything's moving forward. Everything's going well on the channel, and I'm really excited about the future and how things are going. So bear with me, but the engine, this will run at some stage. The engine will be back soon. Until next time, see you guys.